Yeah, on this matter, there certainly is frustration between Republicans and Democrats as members from both parties say they have solutions they believe can help.
It is a public health epidemic.
Assemblymember Matt Haney speaking bluntly about the fentanyl crisis in California, a crisis attributed to the deaths of about 15 Californians every single day.
This is impacting every single community in California.
Speaking alongside some of his Democratic colleagues, Haney noted members of the Assembly Democratic Caucus have authored more than 25 bills this session to address the fentanyl crisis, including legislation seeking to extend access to Narcan, expand medical treatment, and employ more emergency responders for fentanyl poisoning calls.
Thousands of Californians who have lost loved ones to this deadly epidemic deserve leadership and they deserve action. And that's what we are here to recommit to.
This press conference coming one day after Republicans in the Assembly called for a floor vote on 3 fentanyl bills. Among them, one that would add sentencing enhancements for dealers found to have caused great bodily harm or death, another that would increase penalties for dealers caught selling fentanyl on social media, and a third that would increase jail time for dealers found to have more than 1 ounce of fentanyl in their possession. To the frustration of Republicans, all 3 bills failed by a party line vote.
It's extremely frustrating, because what we're talking about here is a crisis that's causing loss of life. What else does it take?
I think it's a dereliction of duty, and I think the public should know what's happening up here and ask these members, every single Democrat, why they didn't support to move these bipartisan bills forward.
Some Democrats have said they have concerns over the bills Republicans brought for a floor vote, arguing those pieces of legislation focus too much on jail time and not enough on fentanyl treatment and education.
The only thing they're willing to invest in is the mass incarceration we know didn't solve this crisis over the last 3 decades. In California, we've got an opportunity to lead.
For his part, GOP Assemblymember Joe Patterson says he's authored several bills on treatment and education, but adds the legislature must also prioritize consequences for fentanyl dealers.
I am all for giving treatment to people that are addicted to drugs. We need to do that. We need to divert them from prisons. But the people who are selling this stuff by the thousands of pills, we need to hold them accountable.
As for reaction to Monday's attempted floor vote,
we're not focused on stunts, we're focused on leadership and solutions.
Yesterday, we put a vote forward and the Democratic people said no. What is that? But yet they're gathering today and they want to talk. How about we act?
And later this month, lawmakers from both sides of the aisle will hold a special hearing to address the fentanyl crisis. That meeting is set for May 24th. Reporting at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Eitan Wallace, Fox 40 News.